Computer sir, how do I separate different values when I print them?
Meena, Python provides a decent trick for the same. Please watch on. Now we will learn some print variations. One such important variation is using the separator parameter, right? So now we are printing multiple values in print, right? Print supports any number of objects to be printed like x, y, z. But whenever we print using a comma, it gives one space in between them. This is default behavior of Python. Default behavior, right? Normally in other languages it is different. Many languages print it without space, but in Python this has been given as a default behavior that one space automatically comes between this. So now the natural question is that how do we bring these things without space or with some other space, some other spacer string? Then there is a separator parameter. We call it sep equal to, suppose we gave a null kind of character. That means quote marks without any character in between. So there will be no separation with this. So xyz comma this sep parameter, so there will be no separation. And we can give other kind of separators also, like here we have given the hash separator, or separator can be multi-character or any kind of other strings, right? Remember in Python strings can have double quotes or single quotes, anything. So we are just running it. So by default behavior this print will give 1020.35 sun because these are the three values we have made. Now in this there is no separation because we have given separation as a null character. That means there is no space in between. Then we have given separator at hash and then we have given long separator. Remember in Python these objects have to be placed before any kind of such special parameters are given. So xyz has to come before this separator has to be given, right? And there are more such parameters. We'll shortly understand those also. Now I'll try to explain you this with the help of AI. Gemini AI, please explain the concept of separator in Python print function. So the sep parameter in Python print function allows you to specify a separator string. So separator is always a string, right? A string means within quotes. Will be inserted between arguments printed. By default, if you don't provide a sep argument, a single space is used in to separate the values, right? And our code has been explained properly here. So now if you have still any doubts, you can ask in comments and give your feedback also. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.